I'm gonna review my Hisense air conditioner today. I love it so much. Number one, it looks fabulous. I mean, it looks great, doesn't it? It just goes well with your house. It's contemporary, modern looking, looks like a piece of furniture. My husband put this molding around it, and it looks really cute. We mounted the remote up there because, you know, you're always looking for that, so you don't have to look at it. We put it up there with Velcro. So what I love about this is, number one, it's not only cooling, it has a heater, which is great. That's really going to help us. We never had an air conditioner with a heater, but we're very pleased that this offered that as well, and especially an air conditioner in this price range. It was pretty reasonable, and I think well worth the money. I love it because it has so many modes, and I'm going to zoom in to show you. Right now we have it on the low. Oh, there's the modes. Okay, you see, simple. Number one, I want to tell you that it was very easy to install. Very easy. The directions are all there. It's 1, 2, 3, self-explanatory. Okay, so having said that, now I want to tell you about the modes because it's very important. They got the fan, they got dry, and what I just love about this dry mode is that it automatically sets the temperature. You don't have to do the temperature, and it just dries out your whole room, which is really good for me here in New York. It has the cool feature, as we all know. You set the temperature. My husband likes 75. You set it to what you want. And what I really love is the eco mode, and I'll do that on an extremely hot day, and it saves energy, which is also very important. But I feel this air conditioner, I'm going to list the model down at the bottom, and I just feels fabulous. I highly recommend it. And another positive about this is we originally installed this for the downstairs. You know, we have one upstairs. But what I find is if I have the one upstairs off, that this gets cool even upstairs. So that's an added bonus because when I purchased it, I thought it would just cool the one floor. So it's really powerful.